Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix the sign up error on TextFree application. So firstly, in order to do this, you have to eject your SIM card from your phone. So after ejecting your SIM card from your phone, then you connect to a nearby Wi-Fi or someone's hotspot. So I'll connect to my other phone's hotspot. So I'm connected to my hotspot here now. Then you have to go to your Play Store and download the Super VPN. This is the VPN here. I'm going to be dropping the link to this VPN in the description below, and I'm also going to be dropping a link to how you can download TextFree from Google Play in the description below. So after doing this, guys, then you just have to go ahead and open the VPN proxy app. So after opening the VPN proxy app, then you cancel all ads, then click on the fastest location option. After clicking on it, you select the USA location there. Alright, so now guys, we are connected to the USA location. So all you just have to do is to go back to your Chrome and go to temp mail in order for you to get a mail you can use to create an account on TextFree. Alright guys, so once the email has been generated to you, you just have to click on the copy option there. Okay, it's generating one. Alright, so just copy the one generated, then you go to the TextFree application, then continue with email. So you see don't have an account sign up, you click on there, then continue, allow all permissions. Okay, it's giving you a random error code. You can change it or use it if it works for you. Change it to 541, but it told me there's no number available for that. I'm going to be using one of the suggested ones here, which is 662. So now it gave me varieties of numbers, so all else I have to do is pick a number and register with it. I'll pick this number, confirm, then paste my email. So I just have to type in my password back and choose my gender. Then after typing your password, then you choose your gender. So I just choose my gender and sign up.